What's up? So, all these info marketers and gurus saying that you can make money online, they're telling you the truth, but they're also full of shit and they're lying to you. And I'm not trying to sell you anything in this video. I could try to sell you a bunch of shit right now, but I'm not going to. I'm just kind of actually venting. Okay, I've made a few $100,000 online. I have a real service business and I have an internet business. And I'm launching a new book right now. I'm not trying to sell you this book. This book has nothing to do with you. And I'm literally on Kajabi. You can use Kajabi or ClickFunnels or any of that stuff. And I'm literally launching the free plus shipping book funnel. Then I'm going to upsell my prospects into the audiobook. And then I'm going to try to upsell them on the course. And it's this whole thing. And it's hopefully going to work. And I'm going to run ads. Who cares about that? Listen, if you're trying to make money online, maybe if you're like brilliant and you're really good at making websites and you've done all this shit and you've been doing it for years, yes, you can get in and excel right to the top very fast and start making money because you already know all the lingo. But there's so much shit that they're not telling you. I coached my friend Brian. He got in. He's already very, very smart, already owned a small business, already in network marketing. He already, he's fucking brilliant. I literally watched him in like 90 days build a fully functional website with information products, and he did it. And then the first year made 50 grand. And I said, looking at what you're going on here, you could probably make 50 grand this year. And it kind of still blew me away. It did it because a lot of people get in and try. Here's why. I'm going to tell you why. They try but fail, and I'll tell you why. In order for me, here's a case in point. In order for me to write this book right now, see this book? That book took months to write. The book's done and in publishing right now. We've edited it just to write a book. It takes months. And have an editor and proofreader and someone to format it and all that stuff and get it uploaded to Kindle and make sure it gets and then to record an audiobook and then the paperback book. These are everything I just said to you was like 3 years of a year of research and hard work to get it all up and running. That's just the book. Now to learn how to build the website and the funnels and the email follow-up sequences and the fucking copy and the marketing and the ads, we're talking like 3 years of... I'm so pissed off I can't even make this fucking video because I'm telling the truth. Like, I've been lied to, and if it was easy, anybody would be doing it, right? But don't fucking think, sorry for cussing, I was listening to you till you started cussing. Don't fucking think that you're going to get in and just start making money all the way. It doesn't work that way. You have to be posting, dude. We're putting out 24, we actually cut back, but we were putting out 24 pieces of content per day. See that? See all that shit? 7 different virtual assistants. 5 of them. One of them is just, her whole job is just literally chopping up and posting content all over the internet all fucking day. We're putting in a 10,000 word blog post article. Average blog post article is 1,500 to 2,000 words. I got a podcast going. Like, this is an entire wheelhouse of stuff that we're doing. And it's taken like 6 years just to get to this point. Now, maybe I'm a really slow... all I want to do is get to the point and say, here's my point. If you're going to make money online and sit down and build a funnel or a website, you have to stop everything you're doing and handcuff yourself to a laptop. Don't take any phone calls. Don't get distracted by anything. Don't go grocery shopping. Don't fucking pay your bills. And I don't mean that I'm being facetious, but I'm being for real. You have to lock yourself down in front of a laptop many, many, many hours a day. It takes a state of consciousness that's in total focus where you have to get into it and build out your Kajabi or your ClickFunnels and take the time and drag and drop and get the text right. Oh, that didn't work. I mean, it'll take you an hour just to create, not an hour, I'm sorry. It could take you 20 minutes just to create one section. You can't even create that section unless this graphics right there. I had to literally spend just this book cover alone. Just that book cover alone 30 different revisions. It took me 20 hours of graphic design, revising the book to get it right. Next day, I looked at it. It didn't look right. I had to move the text a little bit up. I didn't like that color scheme. Going on and on and on and on and on just to make that one book cover. Now, I could have hired a graphic designer, and I have done that before. Then they don't make what you want. It's a whole process, right? Let alone, what does it cost to buy fucking Photoshop to do it? Just designing a book cover is an entire fucking career in itself of graphic design. Just writing a book and being an author is an entire career of itself of being a fucking author, writing a book, and then finding people to edit and proofread it and format it. Because if you're going to try to learn how to edit and proofread and format yourself, you're out of your fucking mind. How long? It'll take you a decade to write a fucking book, dude. All right, now listen. Now, how did I make it cool like that so it looks like a real book, so it's productized? I got a bunch of, you got to go to myeasycovercreator.com. How many different websites? I spent 15 hours researching all these different websites and product mock-up generators to make it look like a real 3D book. And spent all this money. I probably spent $80 on subscriptions just trying to find one that I like that works, and I found one. You know how much fucking red tape you got to go through just to make that, just so you can have a book on your funnel or something you want to fucking sell? Now, not let alone filming the fucking course. Look at this. I got $15,000 in a whole video studio. This is an entire fucking, this is a whole career in and of itself. Look at this. I press a button and all the fucking lights come on. You know how long it took me just to get, I got to fucking, look at this. This camera, $5,000. This camera, $3,000. That camera, $2,000. All this shit. This took me fucking 10 years. Just to fucking learn how to use all this shit. Now fuck. So, if you want to film an online course, look at this. I got a whiteboard over here. I'm not being egotistical. I'm angry because I feel like you're being lied to. See this? Well, you could just get a whiteboard. I got that from like Home Depot. And you could set up like a camera on a tripod, just get a cheap little light, and you could just film an entire online course in front of a whiteboard. That's what I've done. But check this out. Oh, here's the part that's really pissing me off. Film your online course and fucking make $1 million online. Bullshit. I'll tell you why. My new course is coming out soon. Just one of the videos in my online course was like 3.9 gigabytes to upload one of the training videos to the course. It was a long video. It was high definition. And I tried a video compressor. I know all about that shit. It took sorry for cussing. It took 7 hours yesterday. No, 6 hours just to upload one video. Because we were having storms yesterday and the internet was down in my neighborhood. Dude, I pay extra money to have one step down from the fastest internet in the world. Like, I pay for 1,000 megabits per second fast-ass internet. I was so pissed off I went into Best Buy. You see all that shit right there? I dropped $600. I walked into Best Buy so angry. I said, give me the fastest motherfucking modem and the fastest fucking router that you have. Not the highest, most expensive shit. It was crazy expensive, but a step down. $600 just on a fucking modem on a router. And I came home and I dropped that shit on the table and I started hooking. My wife's like, what the fuck? What? Well, you just spent $600 on that? I said, I don't give a fuck. I called up Comcast. I said, send a tech out here. I don't care how much it costs. Fucking $150, $200 for a tech to come out. Plus, I said, I want fast ass fucking internet, and I don't give a fuck what it costs. And then the internet still goes down and up and down and up and down. Like, what I'm saying is that the amount of red tape that you got to go through, I spent all day yesterday until 1 o'clock in the morning. Just uploading 7 training videos to my new online course. That doesn't even include the time it took to make the videos or to build them all out inside of a course in a funnel. You're being fucking lied to. This shit is full time. You can fucking do it part time. Yeah, fuck, you better be full part time, dude. Because the amount of time it takes. You know, I enrolled in this one online course. I forgot the dude's name. Stu something. Not Stu McLaren. He was good, but sixfigurementors or something.com. And the dude was very smart. He said he spent thousands of hours building online courses. And he did make decent money, but it took his whole life away. And then he finally realized that if he just would do affiliate marketing, then it would bypass, you don't have to make any. So, oh my God, you can just do affiliate marketing. I do affiliate marketing. I make a few grand a month with affiliate marketing, and I will make more. Here's the fucking lie bullshit about affiliate marketing. When you do affiliate marketing, some are really good and you can make good money, but there's a lot of bullshit too, where you can't trust the traffic you're sending to other people, and if they're really sending you proper reports and paying you, and now you got to be sending these motherfuckers emails every month saying, hey, I know I got 3,000-4,000 clicks coming through, 6,000-8,000 clicks over the past 3 months. You haven't sent me a payment. Have I got any money? Do you guys owe me any money? Or I went and I looked at the thing and you guys owe me $343 because I sent thousands of people your way. Where's my check? Can you PayPal me some money? What's going on? Oh, I'm sorry. I totally forgot. Here's your money. And then you feel bad asking them for money that they owe you. Like, who's doing who a favor? So you got to track people down. When you have your own products and your own online courses and you keep all that shit in-house, you control your fucking shit and your money. You control your shit. It's good to have a mix of all of it, but... So I'm creating this. This is just the book funnel alone, not including like the 10-day email sequence. Oh, email sequence? You better learn how to write copy. You better fucking spend an entire year of your life just reading and researching and taking online courses and practicing writing copy. I dropped $800 on funnel copy software by ClickFunnels. I got it. It's dope as fuck. And I'm like, oh my God, this is going to save everything. I finally spent $800 just on the copy funnel script software. It's amazing, right? But that's an entire career in and of itself, just sitting down learning this whole program. And cool, it does spit out all the copy for you, because the last funnel I made for my one online course and book funnel took me 74 hours just to make the funnel. I stayed up till 9 o'clock in the morning, like days on end. I canceled everything in my life. I let things just burn down to the ground just so I can make this. And it made me, I don't know, 10 grand or something, but it should have made me 100 grand. But now with this funnel scripts thing, oh my God, it'll spit out all the copy for you. Sure, it does. It does. But you still got to do all the work and create all the scripts to have them spit out. And then you got to take the time to build out the skeleton of your funnels to put the copy into and adjust it and make it all right. And then you got to make different versions and test it. When these fucking millionaires come on stage and they say, well, you always got to run a split test. We fucking test everything. We've got it down to a science. They're telling you the truth, but they're also not telling you that the guy on fucking stage isn't the one doing it all. He's got a whole fucking army of like maybe 12, 20, 30, 70 people, whatever, behind him, helping him do all that, and he's just dictating and looking at numbers and reports and looking over someone's shoulder, say, oh, that looks good, adjust that little, have you run the numbers on it? Is it working? Oh, okay, that one's working, okay, keep doing that. They've got project managers and shit. Yet they're coming on stage telling you that they're fucking running this whole fucking media empire. Like, they're not doing it by themselves. Like, this internet marketing shit is a real business. Like, dude, I could bitch all day. Like, see this banner? That's my live event. Marketing ROI. That's me. It's sold out. $197 per ticket. I did something like $11,500 in ticket sales, and I packed a whole live event. And you know how much I made off of the event? Like $400. And I got a suit and tie out of the deal. And I got footage that I turned into an online course, and I sold that and probably made like, I don't know what I made, like 10 grand or something. Okay, I should just make more videos like this, just bitching. I bet you if I just like go nuts, I don't know. I got to get back to work on this.